Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today, we're installing Precision Design skid plate onto a 2026 Ford Super Duty with a diesel engine. There's another skid plate with a different application if you have a Super Duty with a gas engine. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, go to the engine frame cross brace, seen here, and then use a trim tool to pop out the push pin holding the wheel sensor cable in place. Now, grab the front mount included with your kit and install the hole here to this hole on the engine frame using a 3/8 cap screw and a flat washer. Secure this hardware to the back of the cross brace using a large flat washer, a flat washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. An example of what this hardware looks like fully installed can be seen in the following clips. Next, secure the hole here using a 5/16 cap screw and flat washer. Secure this hardware to the back of the cross brace with a flat washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. An example of what this hardware looks like fully installed can be seen in the following clips. And with that, the front mount should be secure. Now, let's go to the transmission mount crossmember at the rear of the vehicle and remove the two factory nuts circled here. Use a 21mm socket on a 1/2" impact or ratchet to remove this hardware. Then set this hardware aside for later reinstallation. Now we can get started on the skid plate. Grab your plate and position a rubber grommet into this hole here. Then take your plate and slide it into position, making sure that the front of the plate is supported by the front mount, and that the rear slots on the plate align with the bolts on the transmission crossmember. Reinstall the transmission nuts once you have the plate in place. Then head to the front of the plate and line up the clinch nuts on the plate with the holes in the front mount seen here. Loosely secure the plate to these holes using a 1/4" cap screw, a lock washer, and a flat washer. Then, take the oil access door in your kit and secure to the bottom of the skid plate using 3 sets of cap screws, lock washers, and flat washers. Finally, find that sensor cable we removed earlier and use a zip tie to secure it to this hole on the front mount plate. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Precision skid plate. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Chuck Hardware.